In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send an invoice using the Stripe dashboard. Whether you're a small business owner looking to streamline your billing process or a freelancer needing to keep track of payments, Stripe offers an intuitive platform that simplifies the entire invoicing journey. Let's dive right in and take a closer look at how you can efficiently manage invoices with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to log into your Stripe dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your accounts and transactions. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Customers section. Here, you'll find a list of all your clients. You can select the customer you intend to bill, or, if it's a new client, easily create a new customer profile. This ensures all the necessary details are correctly associated with your invoice. With the customer profile open, look for the option that says Create Invoice. Clicking this will take you to a new screen where you can start entering all the crucial details. Begin by adding line items. This involves listing what you're charging for, whether it's services, products, or subscriptions. Be sure to include a clear description as well as the quantity and price for accurate billing. In the same section, you can input tax rates applicable to the transaction. Make sure the tax rates are compliant with your local and international regulations to avoid any discrepancies. Pay attention to the customer's email field, as this is where the invoice will be sent once finalized. Next, it's crucial to determine your payment terms. Set a due date that best aligns with your financial planning and the customer's capacity to pay. You can also add any helpful memo or notes for both you and the client to further clarify the billing details. Additionally, providing an invoice number helps keep everything orderly and ensures both parties can reference the transaction easily in future communications. If you'd like to give this invoice a personal touch, explore the branding options where you can adjust styles and add logos to solidify your brand image. Once you've meticulously added all the information, it's time to review your draft invoice. Double-check each entry to ensure nothing is amiss. When satisfied, click Send Invoice to email it directly to your customer. Alternatively, if you prefer to finalize the invoice for immediate payment processing, just select Finalize. Now, you can track your invoice's status under the Invoices tab. Stripe conveniently updates the status to Paid automatically once the transaction is complete. Moreover, your dashboard allows you to view, duplicate, refund, or even manually mark invoices as paid if necessary. And there you have it. Crafting and sending an invoice via Stripe is straightforward and efficient. It offers you the tools to maintain a smooth, professional invoicing process, all while giving you the flexibility to manage everything from one centralized location. Thank you for watching, and get ready to streamline your billing workflow with Stripe today.